music made me a better thinker. The first time I saw piano, I was in Dubai. I was about 3 to 4 years old and I was in a mall. My parents told me I went up to this piano and I started playing the keys randomly. The sound of the piano made me so happy that my dad instantly knew that I had an interest in it. To get me started, he bought me a small keyboard first. When he gifted it to me, I was so excited because it was shiny, new and beautiful. He enrolled me into classes to learn the basic notes and keys of the keyboard. On seeing my dedication and love for music, my dad decided to upgrade my small keyboard into a professional one. Hard work does pay off. I soon started taking Trinity College London examinations for keyboards. By the time I was 9 years old, I had already completed my grade 2 certification. And I had done pretty well for myself. I was still playing the keyboard though. It was after my grade 2 certification that my dad decided that I should learn to play the piano under the guidance of a brilliant teacher, Miss Kisan. She encouraged me to learn the piano and give the grade 3 exam for the piano. Simultaneously, I started taking Trinity College London theory of music exams because they helped me understand the musical concepts better. And I excelled in it. It is during this time that I started realizing that even though learning the piano had given me immense joy and satisfaction, it had also given me many more benefits. Music is a vast topic. It's all about creativity and imagination. Playing the piano has so many benefits alone. Playing the piano develops my hand-eye coordination. Reading music makes my brain active because I have to read every note, the rhythm, and watch out for mistakes just to play one line of music. But writing music takes me into a different world altogether. You can change the notes, the rhythm, the number of beats, and the style. There's so many different ways to combine and compile music. I noticed that I was reading better, my mathematical concepts had improved, and I was able to remember things much more than I was able to before. I was wondering, was a sudden boost in my academics because of music? If it were true, then that would be truly awesome. So I started researching. Does music actually make you smarter? What I found was pretty interesting. According to a blog written by Will Reed on the hidden benefits of playing a musical instrument, the neurological effects of playing an instrument are really unique on the brain because they stimulate the different parts of the brain which are generally dormant. This enhanced synergy allows for the opening of new pathways and connections, and when these connections grow stronger when often exercised like a muscle, and when they are sustained, can then be incorporated into other modes of thinking. So in short, playing a musical instrument makes you smarter, right? According to him, there are 6 processes involved in playing a musical instrument: visual, oral, tactile, physical, translation, and creativity. Each time I play an instrument, my brain does all these things together. It does not cease to fascinate me. According to Inc.com, science has shown that musical training can change brain structure and function for the better. It can also improve long-term memory and lead to better brain development for those who start at a young age. Furthermore, musicians tend to be more mentally alert. According to a new research from a University of Montreal study on the hidden benefits of playing a musical, longitudinal studies show that children who did 14 months of musical training showed more powerful and structural brain changes. I also realized that when I was solving some music theory problems, like making your own tunes to a given rhythm, or the number of semiquaver triplets it takes to complete a bar, it reminded me of a very famous subject. You guessed it right, maths. Learning music is all about pattern recognition, which is mathematical in itself. But even more than that, learning about how music is divided up into equal measures in beats and how those beats are broken up can help you improve your mathematical skills. Practicing music also requires focus and concentration. Improving your musical skills forces you to use all the different parts of the brain involved in concentration. These are just few of the many benefits I found. I started learning music for my own passion, but I didn't realize that it was giving me so much more. Even though there are so many benefits of playing and learning a musical instrument, it's not widely encouraged in children. Parents usually believe that children should focus more on academics than on extracurricular activities like music, not realizing that music can actually strengthen their academics. Playing a musical instrument helps to make you smarter, more disciplined, and more focused. These are things that every parent should want for their child, and hence I feel that parents should encourage their children to learn at least one musical instrument in their childhood. Introducing music to your child at an early age or at any age is only going to be beneficial for them, just like it has been beneficial for me. I would like to end this talk by quoting Plato. I would teach children music and philosophy, but most importantly music. For all the patterns in music and all the arts are the keys to learning. Thank you.